Aloha and welcome to the Tiki Girl channel. I'm going to demonstrate and talk about how to use this 2-in-1 hair straightener and curling iron. This is an innovative professional rotating curling iron, and it automatically rotates in both sides of the directions with the touch of a button, and ensures quick, easy, and flawless waves and curls every time in as little as 10 minutes for the entire head to create those bombshell curls and waves. What's unique about this hair tool is that it functions as a hair straightener and a curling iron. And a good thing about this curling heats up quickly to get super smooth, shiny sound that lasts all day. What I like about this tool is that it's a curling iron that heats up really quick, and it gives you this 2 ways how to curl your hair. So you could curl your hair using this side of the tool, or you could curl with the other smaller side of the tool. This also is a hair straightener, and it can also, you can use on both sides of the tool to curl your hair or straighten your hair as well. So already I have natural straight hair, so I'm going to curl my hair using this wand. So I'm going to demonstrate and show you steps on how I am going to curl my hair using both this side of the tool and also the big side of the tool. First step is to turn on the temperature on your hair, so make it do something that's more suitable, so which I'm going to do. So I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to straighten my hair, and I'm going to suction it and using some hair clips. So we're going to do it this way. So I'm going to do this. Use some hair clips on mine. I'm going to curl my hair using, I'm going to try to use this side of the tool, this big side, then I'm going to use the small clip side to curl my hair. So I'm going to do 2 different versions. So first, as I'm ready, it's already warming up to the suitable temperature that I like. Okay, awesome. So I'm going to see how this is going to look. I'm going to curl my hair. I could use it a little bit longer. So it's heating up. Okay, so I think I'm going to try it. So I'm going to curl my hair. Oops, I'm going to use this, the bigger tool side. This the hair straightener side tool. So I'm just going to do this to my hair. And what I like about this, it has this side, this tip part here, so you don't have to burn your fingers. So I'm just going to straighten it all the way down on my hair, and then I'm going to use, hopefully this will work. Oops, sorry. I'm going to use the right hand side to curl my hair. Cool. I'm going to let that heat up a little bit. And then I'm going to let it go. Just going to open up the clasp of this thing to see if it works. I'm going to open this clip a little bit here. Sorry. Well, actually, let's see if I can use that. There you go. I'm going to use this clip. I'm going to open it just a little bit. See how it works. And voila. Wow, look how curly that is. Using this side of the tool, which is the hair straightener tool. So next I'm going to demonstrate using the smaller clip. So I'm going to twist this little thing over here to use the smaller side. So just do that. So it locks it in using this side. See? So let's try. I'm going to try this. I'm going to see the difference. See how it looks. I mean, either or, I'm sure it works great, but I just want to try how it looks on one side using the smaller clip and see how well that works. So I'm going to do that as well. So I'm going to use it all the way down to the best that I can. Using it, straighten it just a little bit more. And I'm going to use the left or right side of the tool to make it curl. So I'm going to use the left side. Wow, see? And just try to do that. I'm just going to let it curl for a little bit. take it out, just going like this. And voila. Wow, so it does work both ways. I just noticed there's the difference is not really that bad because of, I have layers. So look how amazing how effective that tool was. So I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna use the smaller side again. See how that works. Brush it out. Use the smaller tool again. Love it, so cool. And I'm gonna brush it out. I'm gonna use again the buttons to curl my hair. See how it really curls your hair? You don't have to work, you don't have to roll it, it does the work for you. Let's do that. Wow, see how that works, see? And just pull it down again. Pull it down. Pull it down again, use the clip. And voila! Wow, check this out. Isn't that amazing? I really like this, the bigger side because I have longer hair. So I'm gonna do my full head. And I'm gonna demonstrate it using this side of the clip versus the smaller side of the clip. Then I'm going to be curling the rest of my hair for 8 to 10 seconds on this side of my head. And then, wow, look how curly. So I'm gonna repeat the above method and achieve the ideal effect on both sides of my hair. And I'm gonna show you the results after I'm done. So you can see I curled my entire hair using this wand, and to be honest, it really didn't matter which part of the wand curls the best. They actually work in either way. So I'm just surprised of how wavy my hair looks. What I notice about this wand is that it is safe. I love that it has a safe feature. This is a 2-in-1 flat iron and curling iron, and it has a cool tip that keeps it from burning your hands. And the end of the iron also has a nice grip to hold. So every time, when you end the control of the iron while preventing your fingers to burn. So it's also equipped with an automatic power off system, half an hour without using. The product will automatically shut off for safety. But it also has this 6.5 foot long cable, which also helps to design for increased flexibility when styling your hair, preventing the cord from getting tangled or damaged in the process. So how cool is that? We hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in purchasing this 2-in-1 hair straightener and curling iron, please click the links below, and don't forget to check out my website at www.thetikigirl.com. Mahalo and happy shopping.